So one of the things that I want to talk about today, it's gonna get dark. Oh, I'm really dark right now. We gotta wait. There we go. One of the things I want to talk about today is when you start out a business, one of the things you typically will do is get your tax ID number, unless you're going to be a sole proprietor, and then possibly set up an LLC, depending on what's going to work for you and your business. I usually start my businesses as an LLC, just because that kind of protects me and separates me from the business from a liability standpoint. So I'm going to do a screen share and kind of walk through simple steps on how to get a tax ID number and an LLC with a fictitious company. All right. Oh, hold on. Hey Alexa, stop. All right. So first off, we're gonna do the EIN. So you're gonna need that, the tax ID number. For that, you're gonna go to the government website. It's a really weird website, sa.www.irs.gov. You wanna make sure you do go to the .gov website. There are some out there that are .gov.com. Double check, go to .gov. That way you're gonna make sure you're going straight to the government website and you're not gonna have to go through some other company that's gonna charge you to do it. So first thing I do is get on that site and then click begin application, apply for a new EIN. It's going to ask you all these weird pop-ups. I'm pretty sure also, because it is a government website, for whatever fucked up reason, they do have hours. They act like they're an actual store. All right, so you kind of go through here. What are you going to do? Sole proprietor, partnership, corporation, limited liability company. So for me, knowing I'm going to set it up as an LLC right away, I will pick the LLC. And again, I'm by no means an accountant, lawyer, any of that stuff. So talk to them, get it all figured out. But this is the easiest way to do it. So kind of go through here, figure out what you want to do, kind of goes through all the stuff, kind of skim through it, read it, go on through how many members, if it's a partnership, then you'd put in more than one. For me, it's going to be one. Select your state. I'm going to select Wisconsin. Please confirm. Blah, blah, blah. If you're going through starting a new business, depending on what you're doing, like if you're starting a new business, obviously you're going to select that. Who is responsible party? Is it going to be an existing business that is responsible or an individual? For me, I'm going to pick an individual. So then put in my name in here. Then you're going to put in your social security number. I'm just going to put in a fake one so you guys can't all steal my identity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, da-da. There we go. I'm one of the owners. All right. So now that you put that in there, then you're going to put in the address. Go to East Main Street. Got all of that in there. Do you have a different address? Nope. Legal name. So this is where you're going to put in whatever your business name is. So if you have like your real name, then you can also have your DBA name right below that as well. That's not required, but you can do that. So we're going to put in, let's just make something up. Jordan's Ice Cream. Start date. So then pick whatever month it is that you started your business. So we are in April now. Wow, we're already in April. Does your business own a highway motor vehicle with a taxable gross weight? They're just looking for more money. Nope. No gambling. Does it need to file this form quarterly? So this is one where you might want to talk to your accountant and figure out if you do need to file this form. You can click the pop-up, see what it is. If you need to file basically taxes quarterly, blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to say no. That's usually, I believe, and I could be wrong, again, talk to your accountant, but I believe that's more when you're making more money and need to do your taxes quarterly. Does your business sell or manufacture alcohol, tobacco, or firearms? Hopefully the ice cream does not have any of that in there. Do you have or do you expect to have any employees who will receive W-2s in the next 12 months? Now you can select obviously whatever is going to be applicable to you. Since I'm just making this one up and not actually going to go through with it, I will select no. And then what does your business do? Kind of try to figure out which category is closest. So this is gonna be a food service. Otherwise, go through there. If it is other, select that. I believe it'll have you just kind of type in what you do. And then kind of go through here, ice cream shop. And receive letter online. And I believe the next one will take you right through. I'm not going to do that because I don't need the government coming after me for more stuff. So, but that's really about it. So that, probably took about, I don't know, 5-7 minutes. But aside from that though, I mean, you click that button, it's going to give you a PDF. You can download it or you can have it sent by mail. That obviously takes about 4 weeks for delivery, but that'll at least kind of get you there either way, and that'll get you your tax ID number right away. That'll help you with setting up a bank account. A lot of banks, if you want to set it up as a business, will require that tax ID number. So that'll help you out there. Next one, if you want to get your LLC, you're gonna have to go to your specific state. So for us, it's state of Wisconsin. Again, go to .wi.gov website. Don't go to one of the other fictitious websites that pretend to look like one. Just go right to this one. It'll save you money. So you go right to here. So in this case, I'm going to revenue.wi.gov. So on here, you're going to register with the Department of Revenue. First time register. Yes. Business type, we are an LLC. Well, we're going to be an LLC, so select that. Confirm business type. This is where you're going to put in the tax ID number. All right, so you might have to wait a couple days, but essentially, if you go to this website, go through there. State of Wisconsin, like I said, it's I believe about $150 to get your LLC. It's not going to let me do it since I don't have a real business that I'm putting in here. But if you go through here, it should only take you about the same amount of time, about 5 minutes. Get right through there, click the buttons. You'll be able to get another PDF that gives you the LLC. That's going to protect you. Each year you will have to do a filing with the government. That takes 5-10 minutes to do that. Super simple. You just kind of go to their website, fill out a form, and get that taken care of. That kind of keeps you up to date every single year. So once you do have those two done though, then you do have your tax ID number and you have your LLC. Again, talk to your accountant or lawyer, figure out what is going to work best for you. It's going to depend on your revenue, depend on your situation. Very easy to do. Just get in there and get her done.